Hello friends, welcome here or welcome back. 2 weeks ago I turned 27 years old. It was a wonderful birthday, full of joy and friendship, laughter and, of course, delicious cake. But now a few days on, I find myself in a period of reflection about what my life looks like so far. I think it is perfectly natural to look back on past versions of ourselves and to be curious about what our future selves will think and feel. What will I cherish and hold dearly to my heart 5 years from now? I have been reminiscing on years gone by, both the good and the bad, and as I look towards the future once more, I ask myself, who is it that I want to be in this next chapter? As ever, nature and books have been a great comfort and inspiration to me as I navigate these feelings and the anxiety around them, as well as excitement as what the future may bring. So I'd like to share some of the poetry I've been reading lately with you as we wander through some beautiful scenery together, and my hope is that I can share some tranquility and calm with you today. Do not fret and do not doubt. You are in time, you can't fall out. No matter what you say or do, you are in time. Time is in you. And everything that is meant to be will be in time upon this tree. Who made the world? Who made the swan and the black bear? Who made the grasshopper? This grasshopper, I mean, the one who has flung herself out of the grass, the one who is eating sugar out of my hand, who is moving her jaws back and forth instead of up and down, who is gazing around with her enormous and complicated eyes. Now she lifts her pale forearms and thoroughly washes her face. Now she snaps her wings open and floats away. I don't know exactly what a prayer is. I do know how to pay attention, how to fall down into the grass, how to kneel down in the grass, how to be idle and blessed, how to stroll through the fields, which is what I have been doing all day. Tell me, what else should I have done? Doesn't everything die at last and too soon? Tell me, what is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life? Beyond the wall of now, tomorrow is waiting. Its light is longing to find you. Look for its glow in the corner you had forgotten. Beyond the cold brick of today, tomorrow knows better. It is waffles and blackberries, tea and buttered cake. It is a robin on your windowsill, his puffed red belly striving for song. Beyond the hard silence of here, tomorrow is beckoning. It is an unexpected love letter. It is a long kiss. It is not crying, not always crying, because tomorrow is beautiful. Tomorrow is beautiful.